Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about a very interesting topic. Actually, one of my favorite topics to talk about. The topic is fossils. On today's video, we're going to be answering 5 questions. Stay with me until the end so you can know the answer to all these questions. And when we finish answering these questions, I have prepared something for you. I have a demonstration to show you, and I want you to stay until the end. Okay, so the first question is, what is a fossil? Alright, first we need to remember that a fossil is a remain of a dead animal or plant from the past. These animals were on Earth long time ago, millions of years ago, right? So that's what a fossil is. So it's like the skeleton of an animal from the past. Question number 2. You might be wondering, why are they important? Well, skeletons are not just bones. Skeletons are very important because they are evidence from the past, and they help scientists understand how Earth was long time ago. Alright? And not only Earth, but they can understand how the animals were and plants were long time ago, okay? So that's why fossils are important. Question number 3. Who studies fossils? Fossils are studied by some scientists who are called paleontologists, okay? So these are the ones who are in charge of examining the fossils, and they can get information to know how things were in the past, okay? Remember, paleontologists. And question number 4, how do they form? Okay, well, so we have gotten to the most important part of the video. So how is a fossil formed? Okay, in first place, you need to remember something. Okay, the animal or the plant has to die, okay? And later, when the animal dies, then the decomposers in the soil will help decay the body, all right? All the soft body parts, but not everything in the body will be decomposed. Only the skeleton will be left, all right? So the skeleton now sits there in the soil. So later, mud or sand will start covering the skeleton, all right? And then more and more and more layers of sand and mud will cover the skeleton. So these layers of sand and mud will put pressure on the skeleton. So they will put so much pressure on the skeleton that the bones, or what was left of the animal, will be replaced by some minerals, and that's why the skeleton becomes really hard, okay? And they get stuck on the rocks, and that's the way that they are formed. And then number 5, what are the types of fossils? There are 2 types of fossils. There are animal fossils and plant fossils, all right? So this is all you have to know about fossils. But before I conclude with this video, I want to show you something. Come with me. Hello again. Well, I told you to stay with me until the end, because right now we're gonna do something cool that you might like. All right. Before I start, let me explain you what we're gonna do. We're gonna make our own fossil here at home, okay? And I'm gonna teach you how. But for this experiment, I'm gonna need only 2 things. I'm gonna need this dough, which will represent the soil, and in this case, I'm gonna use a leaf, okay, which will represent the plant, okay? Okay, so like I told you before, now it's time to do demonstration. Okay, so like I said, this is a plant fossil, and then imagine that now This plant is already dead. Now, we're gonna put some pressure. We're gonna put a lot of pressure on the leaf until you can't see it, all right? So, and this is the way it works, with a lot of pressure, okay? Now, it is time to remove the leaf and to see if we can have a fossil. All right, let's see. I'm pretty excited about this. Oh wow, look at it. Now, this is a plant fossil. If you can see it, that's how the fossils are formed. If you want me to teach you how to make this dough, leave a comment below so I can make another video on this. All right, guys. So that was it for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you have more questions, don't forget that you can ask me anything you want. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next class.